Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's been a minute, dog.
Alright.
Yeah, you got a spot though? How you gonna spot from that angle?
I was gonna hop in behind, but
Yeah, man.
Alright.
What?
Fuck the chop shop, nigga. This is hell yeah.
Hey, does it come over here?
yeah,
No, it's not. Does it come over here?
you're good, you're good.
Who's that? Oh.
She's probably like confusing why there's so many colors.
Okay, Dre.
Okay.
Okay, Kevin.
Yeah, that's big word. That's big word.
Okay, Kevin. Man, I put it out and I'm always want to work, man.
That's big Haas.
Oh, some water?
Dropped some zip ties. We're here at the chop shop, and we got a little bit of work on V36 Dre. What are you doing today?
We're gonna slam the car, and we're gonna put the camber arms on the rear, and we're gonna hopefully chop shit. Hopefully.
Here we go. Yo, Matt, say what's good to the vlog, dog.
Yo, shout out Octane and Zip Ties. You know, get them to 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers, you heard it first. Heard it first. So we're gonna raise up the car, and then we'll show you what we're getting to.
No, drop it. What the fuck? Bro, you literally jacked it up like on half of the diff, like on the edge of the diff.
Logan, you know what my contact name is in his phone?
What?
Steven Saab.
Throw bike. That was back in the day.
That was 2 years ago, bro. I didn't have 3 cars since then.
Bro, the exhaust isn't letting you get any more to the left.
All right, we'll take a short commercial break. Yo, so is this a one piece? Or I thought you had a one piece conversion for the rear. Nope.
You didn't end up getting it. So what we're doing right now is just gonna vax these out.
There you go.
Back at the facts.
You know whose house you're at?
Yeah.
You're at a bag house. Bag CTS, bag G37.
Ooh. Behind the scenes. But little do they know. Yo, is that a Tommy dog?
Yes.
No.
Is that a Tommy dog?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Is that Tommy dog?
No.
That Tommy dog?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
It's just instead of having a burnt tip,
No.
I have algae tip. I'm putting his name down there.
Ew.
That thing is huge. Like my gut.
It's a little dirty, huh? just sit back and watch Kelvin do everything, yeah?
Wait, it's righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Yeah.
Yo, put your back into it.
Wow, like butter.
True Heart camber arms?
Nah, these are SPC.
Oh.
Alright.
And these are bags. So, why are they red?
Oh, so you are on bags. He's been exposed. Exposed.
That's what this is. Here's a accurate bag. You know what I'm saying?
Bags.
I just gotta take a, what do you call this thing? What do you call that thing?
Hardline?
No, like a thing. A thingy. What do you call it? No, like a thingy.
A clamp.
A clamp. We gotta put a hose clamp right here. And we'll stretch it up. And then what we'll do is we'll take a basketball pump for basketball. Stick it in that hole right there. I got one in the car. Thanks, Steven.
Oh. Alright, so what? You gotta take off this
So we
this
have
for the bucket?
This is the bucket for the toe. We're gonna take this off. We're not gonna take it off because I'm doing two-piece, so we're just gonna pull it down, take the spring out, put the black spring in. Actually, I'll probably compare it and see which one's shorter. Put the shortest one in.
And then what? Just this right here for the strut?
That's gonna be the strut. That's where this is going. And then under here, if you move the camera,
Yeah.
we got this camber arm, which is gonna be replaced by this camber arm because, you know, gang gang.
So the pain in the ass.
Yeah.
How much can
Where are they?
as much as you can? And just max out the back.
Oh, wait.
What?
I think the bolts go through there.
Nope,
I think
you have to do it from under.
yeah, I think they're just on the bottom.
They're just real high. The bolt will like rust out, and it'll be hard as fuck to get the nut out. You know, like when you're fucking a dry pussy or something. Fire! Dude got a misfire. No, keep doing it.
The whole time I'm doing this, dude.
I think it's stalled out.
Car died.
I'm beat. Nigga, you broke my key off.
Oh, this is 100% OEM fiberglass. If you live local in Orlando, we started this thing called Chop Shop, where we just do like basic like stuff that people can do, but they're too lazy to do.
That's pretty much.
So like what?
Yeah, so like wheel polishing, rebuilding, sealing, clay bar wax, headlight, coils and saws.
If you guys need any of that, I'm gonna put the Instagram right here. Chop Shop. Get a hold of
Chop Shop.
the boys and slide through.
Chop Shop.
Taking a little family trip to Home Depot. We got to get a nut to go on the back of.
So the bolt that goes on the bottom of the coil, the nut that's supposed to screw onto this is welded into the stock, the OEM strut. So we have to go pick up a nut that will go onto this so we can put it on the BC.
There we go.
You know, an elevator saying maximum capacity?
Yeah.
I think we passed that shit.
Starting at you dusty ass nigga. I said starting at you dusty ass nigga. Yeah, I can't go in first. Jose, I'm only going first. Oh, here you go.
All right. Brian pulled up. Matty boy pulled up. Where's the whip though?
Over there.
DBD.
Go, show 'em. Over there.
It's the good side too.
DB
DB'd Matt. Calvin's gonna be doing the same thing. On this side, did to that side, and we're gonna test it out. Didn't want to lower the side that was already done. Full send. That was a little grody in the ear. A little Chinese food?
He's chopping the Chinese.
Chop. Wait, we're not allowed to do that, remember?
Oh yeah, that dude got on us.
Who?
Yo,
Chop,
sorry.
chop.
Who got on this?
Yeah, about the racist Chinese jokes.
Never heard of dark humor? Ching chong?
Alright, so Brian's driving the LS.
Yes, sir.
He's looking for one, right? You interested?
Hell yeah. Hey, this is mad comfortable. This is the one with the V, right?
Yeah. 1UZ.
This thing.
Hands down, even though I've had the Skyline and the Fairlane and everything else, it definitely has to be one of my favorite cars. Like, it's smooth, right?
Yeah.
It's like,
Even like, because you're on like coilovers too, even with the coilovers, it still feels like mad smooth. You know when you get coilovers, the cars get mad bouncy?
Yeah.
And, like,
I mean, it's not maxed out. Honestly, the back has a lot more to go. The front, I would probably do a shorter spring, but
What coils are this?
K-Sport. So, get yourself an LS400. You're looking for a big body, something smooth, and I mean, they're pretty easy to work on. So, yo, Dre's about to work on his car for the first time, or how you think they're gonna fit?
Need help, bro?
Matt, this is Matt's camera right here. Yo, Matt, this is how you be riding, right? So this is how a normal car drives, right? This is mine. Okay, that's Dre's. Which was like right here. That's why you did. I have the most camera out of everybody.
All right.
Shit, it's a skunk.
Hey, what you think? For the camera cam yet?
What you think?
I need more low. Nah.
That's pretty nice.
That's like perfect.
The clearing too, was it?
Alright, let's drop the front inch.
Oh shit, got lower. It did.
It did. What are those? What are those?
Just say Nike.
What are those?
He's OEM Nike, bitch.
What are those? Oh, that's kind of fly though. That's kind of fly.
Say it on
Those
camera.
dusty ass toes. Bro.
What'd you say?
Yo, why? Why?
Why do you care what
You know what it was though? That when you got them, they were already stiff.
Yeah.
And I had put that one to soft. And that's why I asked you.
Yeah.
So it is stiff.
Yeah.
Nah, it's actually better because like you're on the stiff side, so when you're driving, like I'm just saying like weight distribution. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So it's like you have this one a little softer.
Bro, it's set to the driver.
Yeah, exactly.
It's set to the driver.
It's calibrated.
So it's tuned.
Now it's 50.
Yeah.
I'm tuned?
Yeah.
I can say I'm tuned.
You can say your suspension's
I'm
tuned.
tuned.
You're not even tuned yet, bro.
All right, so it's come to the end of the night. Dre, we didn't put on, well, yeah, Kelvin, you didn't put on his camber arms. I think he's gonna wait to do some other stuff right now, but
Wait till he gets his alignment.
yeah, alignment.
Put them on
But
with the alignment, I mean.
the car looks good. She's tucking. Rear camber looks good. Want a little bit more, but sitting flush. Think he's gonna lower the front some. Pretty low, super close to the ground. How you feel about it?
I mean, it came out good. I mean, at least I'm not like stock tight in the back anymore. Shout out to Kelvin, Chop Shop. Yeah.
Chop shop.
Other than that, I mean, I just gotta get some parts to go one-piece coil in the back so I can have some camber, and then get some stiffer coils for the front so I can sit in the front too.
There you go.
Maybe loud. One last thing. Everybody said goodbye to this exhaust.
Yeah.
Gone. I give it like 3 days.
Not even the ride to go get food.
Probably it's gonna be gone, yeah.
Well, that concludes hangs for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. We got some other videos in the back. Yeah, we're gonna come say bye to Maddie real quick.
Wheels are for sale, by the way. Hit me up.
I'll put his Instagram right here. All right.
Taking trades with cash offers or trades in cash.
There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, follow Highway Mob on Instagram. Throw some more bangers. Dre's gonna come out with the merch. Octane and Zip Ties might be coming out with a little bit of merch. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the channel.
Follow everyone.
Follow everybody.
Octane Zip Ties, Chop Shop, Highway Mob. We taking over Orlando.
There we go.
I mean, we already did though, so
I'll leave it in the bio. So
Florida's next.
long outro, but hope you guys enjoyed. Later.